Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 12th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the pound US dollar, I mean, we've been going up pretty strong, and this could be the bottom of a wave C right here. If this is the bottom of a wave C, then this will be a brand new uptrend, and eventually it will give us a break of structure and likely continue that weekly time frame uptrend. Now, we also need to keep in mind that this move up may just be a pullback to this last move down. So if we do get a break to the downside at a Fibonacci retracement level on shorter time frames, especially our correctly tuned time frame, then we definitely will want to stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now we did have a break of structure to the downside on roughly the 2 hour time frame. So we did have a little bit of a lower high. So we do have to keep an eye on this move up right here. This move up possibly could make a lower high. If it goes up and takes out this high, then obviously we're still in an uptrend. But with this break of structure right here, we do need to keep an eye on possible lower highs and possible short entries. This could just be a wave A. It could go down, to these lows, make like a wave B, and then later on go up and make a wave C. I think that possibly would make sense. Or maybe this is like a wave one and then a wave two, and eventually it goes up and makes a wave three. But for now, the correctly tuned time frame is roughly the 2 to 4 hour time frame, and technically we are in a possible move to the downside because of this break of structure right here and the fact that we made a lower high yesterday. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.